It's business coach Steve Goranson here with another business tip to help you work smarter, not harder, and ultimately enjoy more life. As business owners, it can be tough to let go and trust that our business can run without us. We often find ourselves spread way too thin, involved in every aspect of the business. And as our business grows, we become even more critical to its success, making it harder to let go and delegate. But here's the thing, when the time comes to sell your business, whether it's maybe next year, 5 years, or 20 years down the road, this over reliance on you as the key person can significantly impact the valuation of your business, meaning how much you could sell your business for. So, what's holding you back from delegating and letting go? Sometimes we become so addicted to being that super busy business owner, always being the hero who loves to solve every problem. But this addiction to busyness is counterproductive. It can hold us back from reaching our full potential. But one simple strategy that can help you get started on this path to working smarter and not harder is by creating an organizational function chart with a couple of layers that are focusing on what the business does and not who does it. So this chart can be broken down by functions of the business and not people. Once that's completed, now just put your name next to each of these functions that you currently fill or own. This exercise now is going to help you realize how much time of your time is being consumed by various roles within your business. So once you've identified where you are spending all your time, now you could get started delegating and prioritizing your focus on the most strategic aspects of your business. I'm not going to lie, it's not always easy to let go. You might even think that you're the best person for a particular job, or you might not trust that someone else can do it as well as you can. And maybe you're right, but understand this, with the right training, documentation, and coaching, you can successfully delegate these roles and focus on the strategic aspects of your business that will help it grow and increase its valuation. I've seen it happen time and time again. So if you're a business owner feeling stretched way too thin, struggling to let go of some of your responsibilities, I'd love to have a conversation with you. We can now strategize ways for you to delegate and focus what matters most while still growing your business. Together, we can work smarter, not harder. And so you can start enjoying more life and while we're still achieving your business goals. So reach out and schedule a complimentary strategy session with me to discuss how we can make this happen for you and you can discover the power of coaching. Business coach Steve Goranson. So let's work together to achieve real results and create a life you truly deserve.